This is the only thing you need to know about scaling. If you want to go from side hustle to I just bought a yacht on eBay, you need automation and paid ads. Here's how to do it. Automate your content. Use ChatGPT, Koala Writer, or Video Gen for blogs and videos. Schedule with Buffer or Go High Level. Automate email. Set up sequences. We talked about this. Set up new sequences for your new subscribers, launches and follow-ups and all these things that are happening. Just schedule them out and have that automatically sent out. Paid ads. Start small. Google, Facebook, YouTube. Target buyer keywords. Best X for Y. So best toothbrush for people with cavities, stuff like that. I mean, I'm just making stuff up here, but you want to start targeting keywords that are very, very relevant, and those are buying keywords, right? People, if someone's looking for the best something, chances are they want it, right? They want, I need to get the best toothbrush for whitening. It's kind of what people do when they're looking to buy something. Once you start marketing, track your ROI. Never scale what is not profitable. Do not scale ads that you are not profitable on. Cash network advantage. Here's an advantage that you get with us. Many offers are built for paid traffic. Get paid for every lead. You're going to get paid for every lead, not just sales. So you can get paid for lead. There are offers you can get paid for sales. They often pay a lot more. This is something that affiliates, or especially new affiliates or novice, if you don't know, you can get paid really well for leads, but you could also get paid really, really well for actual sales, right? So this is just, and once you get paid and you get paid fast, your ad budget can breathe, and you can actually breathe a little bit easier because now you can pay for your ad spend. Here's another thing, outsource. Hire VAs. VA is a virtual assistant for helping you post, edit, and do outreach depending on what the task is, because you can't do everything yourself. Don't make that mistake, because you're gonna burn yourself out trying to scale an affiliate business, because now, you know what? The worst boss in the world, I'm gonna tell you this, and you're not gonna believe me right now, but you will believe me, because the worst boss I ever had in the world is me. Because you will be your own worst critic, because you want to keep doing it, you want to keep making. I've scaled companies to millions of dollars, and I'm still my own worst boss. So I'm going to warn you, outsource, because it'll help alleviate a lot of stress that you impose on yourself, especially, and optimize your time. Now here's an optimization strategy. Use Cash Network's analytics to spot your top offers and your traffic sources. You talk to the affiliate managers on any network. They should be able to tell you what the top offers are, which ones are working, and your affiliate manager will be able to tell you the statistics on how it's converting, what the EPCs are, the earnings per click, what kind of ROI people are seeing. Not everyone will disclose their ROI to their affiliate manager, but the good thing with our guys are they're also affiliates. They know affiliate marketing through and through. They're not just some person that got hired to be an affiliate manager. These were super affiliates that we have working with us that already know the game. They know how it works, and they know how to help you scale your business, okay? Here's a stat. Native ads and push notifications are the top traffic sources for CPA marketers. Cash Network supports these and pays weekly. So you can scale fast, buy more of whatever it is you want to buy when you're super rich, right? So that's what everybody wants to get rich. You can buy whatever you want to buy. So let's recap. Pick a niche you love and one that you can actually get paid from. Find high-paying programs and offers, especially CPA offers on Cash Network. Create content that hooks, helps, and converts people. Build an email list. Your money, literally, it's your money printer. Your email list is your money printer. Automate and scale. That's another money printer here. So you can finally take that vacation your mom keeps asking about. I mean, we all have people in our family that want things, and you gotta hook them up. So if you want to get started with CPA offers that pay for leads, not just sales, check out Cash Network. We're beginner friendly, you pay weekly, and we have tons of high converting offers for every niche. Links are in the description. Don't sleep on it. If you got value, smash the like button, subscribe, and drop your favorite viral hook in the comments. Very curious about what you guys feel are really cool viral hooks. And I'll be glad to share some with you as well. And remember, consistency, testing, and a little bit of humor are the keys to affiliate marketing success. See you in the next one, unless I'm on a yacht. Just kidding. I'll see you. I'll probably be here.